Welcome to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to talk about ganyaang and the hyena in Nuer story. First, before we proceed, I would like you to know that this is a Nuer story, and before you listen to this story, do you eat every kind of meat? Does your religion tell you not to eat some kind of meat? What do you do if someone offers you meat that you cannot eat? All right, and this is what we are going to read. It is a good story, a good folklore for Nuer people. So just listen and bear with me. Ganyaang and his son went into the forest to hunt. They hunted all day, from early in the morning until late in the evening. But they didn't find any animals at all. They were very angry. At last, they heard the noise of an animal. One of ganyaang's sons shot at it and killed it. They were happy. Now they had a meat to eat. "What kind of animal is it?" they asked their brothers. "Is it a bushbuck or a dik-dik? Come on, let's cut it up and cook it." But their brother looked unhappy. "I am sorry," he said. "It is only a hyena." Ganyaang and his sons looked at each other. "What shall we do?" they said. "We are Nuer, and the Nuer people don't eat hyenas. We can't change our custom, but we must eat it, or we will die." They began to argue. "Let's eat the hyena," some of them said. "No," said the others, "we can't eat. It is wrong." Ganyaang was not arguing with his son. He was looking at the hyena. At last, he said, "Listen to me, son. Listen to me, my sons. Cut off the hyena heads and throw it away." The son did so. Ganyaang looked at the hyena again. "Now cut off the legs and throw them away," he said. The son did so. "And the tail," said Ganyaang, "cut that off too." His son cut off the tail too. "Look at this animal now," said Ganyaang. "Does it look like hyena to you?" "No," say his sons. "Why?" "Yes," say his son. "Well, then," say Ganyaang, "if it is a bushbuck, we can eat it. Come on, boys. What are you waiting for?" So Ganyaang and his son skinned the hyena and cooked it and eat it. What did you learn from this story? Please comment below and tell me what you learned. This is a Nuer folk tale story.